Thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to change that out or replace that part. Okay, so this is a piece here where it broke off and then it goes up under there. I believe I'm gonna have to approach it from the other side and push this down on here. This is a replacement piece. It's very brittle. I may have to get a needle nose pliers to pluck this out, but it's coming. There you go. Which this blue piece is just this bottom portion here. So what I'm going to do is seat this on the top and let you see how I seated on the top. Okay, so this is seated and it needs to be flush. So you heard it snap down in there. And this is just going to be pressed. Can you see that in there? You can see it. Holding it with one hand. That's it. So it's seated just like that one is. Do it again. And there it is.